Hello everyone and welcome. A few weeks back, I did a review of an inexpensive ring light for people just starting out doing video or photography work on a budget. Well, some of you guys didn't think that ring light did enough for you, so you asked me to review a ring light with more professional features. That is why today we'll be looking at this ring light from Weeylite. This ring light is more expensive than the previous light, but it also has more professional level features that will give you more flexibility in shooting more stylish video or photography. So let's look at what we have this time. But before we do that, if you enjoy watching honest tool and product reviews plus helpful DIY projects, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I produce a new product review video or DIY video. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Here's a shot of the box for you. Let's open up this bad boy and see what we got this time. Alright guys, when you unbox this puppy, this is everything you get. Now this is the Weeylite WE-9 Professional Ring Light Kit, available on their website, link in description below. At the time of making this video, this kit retails for $63.74. And if I do find any discount codes, I'll be sure to put them in the description down below, so check that out first. And what you get in this kit is the light itself. You get the power cord, does not include the brick, so you have to supply that yourself. It includes a bendable support shaft right here for putting up your smartphone. If you want to shoot using your smartphone, you can obviously use this with any other camera that you like. It also has a tripod adjustable head mount here for mounting either another device or the light itself. You can mount it on the tripod and use it that way. And it does have this combination handheld or desktop tripod mount right there. And I'll show you how that works in a moment. You also get the owner's manual, which tells you everything about how to set it up, maintain it, how to use all the different power modes that it has, all the different lighting modes that it has, all that kind of good stuff. So I suggest you read through that. Now the dimensions on this light are 10 inches across by 1 inch in depth, so very, very compact. And the unit only weighs 12 ounces, so it's also very lightweight. Now this light produces very high brightness in either white or warm light. It also produces RGB light. The composition of the different LEDs inside, basically it brings 132 LEDs made up of 44 white LEDs, 44 warm LEDs, and 44 RGB LEDs, giving you a huge flexibility of all the different light colors that you can create. Now the lighting on this is produced by 12 watt 1050 lumens that produces light anywhere from 2500K to 8500K of light temperature. It also has some LCD controls on the back here that give you a lot of flexibility and adjustment as to your lighting, whether you want certain moods or a certain light temperature, whatever. It gives you a lot of flexibility and adjustment using those controls. It also has a built-in shoe right here that you can use for mounting this flexible shaft or any other device that uses a standard shoe mount. The light can be used either plugged into an outlet, or you can use it with the internal battery. It does have an internal battery that is 3.7 volts, 3300 milliamp, and the runtime on the battery is 80 minutes, and it takes about 2 hours to charge. This also does serve as a battery bank if you need to power up your cell phone or something like that. As you can see right here, you have 2 ports on the back, one to charge it up and one for power out. So it does serve as a battery bank. If you're in the middle of a project and you find that your phone or camera or something else is a little low, you can take battery power from here and use that to power it up. As far as the color balance and the lighting controls, the controls on the back, as you saw, it is a stepless design where basically you have a huge flexibility of choosing whatever lighting requirements you have to either suit your mood or suit your project. Now the desktop tripod, like I said right here, can be used either as a handheld where you can hold the light or your phone or anything else you want to put on it. And it does have connections on either side, on the top or the bottom. Either way, you can use this and screw it into anything else. It is your standard screw design. And you can also open it up, and it is 2 parts. You take it apart, and you can use the base alone for whatever project you need, or you can put this adapter on there, and it goes from being a handheld to being a desktop tripod. And it is expandable. You can either have it 6 inches in height. First of all, you can mount whatever, the light or phone or anything right on the base, or you can go 6 inches higher, or you can go up to 13 inches, Or if you add the bendable shaft here, you can go up to 19 inches. So you have a huge amount of discretion as to the different height that you want to go with that. So it gives you a lot of flexibility. The light can also be controlled remotely through an app that is included in the instruction manual. There's a QR code in there that you can download an app and you can control it through your smartphone. So you don't always have to use the controls on the back of a light if you don't want to. If you want to use it remotely, download the app and you have full control using it that way. The light also has 29 built-in scenes, as they call it, or special lighting effects. So if you don't want to create your own, you can use the ones that it already has preset and built into it. So this light is actually great for doing YouTube videos, Twitch, TikTok, photography, anything where you need some extra light for your project. So let's take a closer look at some of the features and functions and see what this light can do. Alright guys, let's have a little montage here where I show you exactly what the light looks like in different poses. And there you see it on the extension and it's lit up with the phone support in the middle. You can get a sideways view of what it looks like, and we can tilt it forward and we'll tilt it backwards. Gives you a general idea of what the light looks like, how it can be used, and all the different poses you can put it in. And there you go, lit up in RGB mode. That's just one of the light modes. I'll show you more in a minute. And right there, I took off the extension and you have it just on the base with the phone support in the middle and without the phone support in the middle. And this light can be used as a light or a background light or anything you want to do with it. There you have a sideways view, and here you have a backwards view where you can see the back of it with all the controls. Alright guys, so let's take a look at some of the lighting modes and some of the RGB controls that this light gives you. Right now we're starting off with white light, and let's move through the different colors and see what we can accomplish with it. And the beauty of this light is that it gives you granular control over the RGB functions. It's not only your standard rotating through the colors of the rainbow, this one actually allows you to control the RGB, in other words, red, green, and blue. So you can have more or less of each one individually instead of basically just rotating up and down through set colors that the light already has programmed into it. So you can actually go through and, like I said, adjust each of the individual controls. And then on top of that, you also have control for hue and saturation. So once you get the color that you want, then you can either make it warmer or colder or more saturated, less saturated, whatever it is that you want to do. So it gives you a lot more control over the colors because it has so many built-in LEDs, where other lights are probably going to have less LEDs. That's why this is a more professional grade light, because it gives you much more control over it than some of the cheaper lights would do. Some of the cheaper lights, probably what you would do is just rotate through the colors of the rainbow. So you go red, green, yellow, blue, yellow, orange, etc. And that's all you have. This one, you can pick the colors yourself. And I'm doing this manually right now because I just opened up this light. I'm getting familiar with it. I'm getting comfortable with it. But you can use the phone app as well if you want to do that. I have that downloaded, and I still have to take a little time to get used to it and figure out how to use it and learn it to be comfortable with it. But as far as shooting the video, it's much easier to use the controls on the back of the light because it's just easier to have a tactile feel to what you're doing and rotating the knob up and down and pushing the buttons and so forth, as opposed to having a slide control on a phone app, which I'm not very comfortable with. And obviously I'm trying to get the video done in the best possible way to show you guys what you can be doing with the light. So obviously the controls on the back of the light facilitate that more than the app. But once I get comfortable with the app, I'm sure I can do just as well as with the controls on the back of the light. And some other lights out there may not have this phone app. So this is a very convenient feature that this light brings with it. Alright guys, so we saw the light from the front and how that functions. Now let's take a look at the controls that it has. So we're looking at it right now, the back view of the controls, and I was just adjusting right there the light output. It's a dimmer switch. And then on the bottom right below it, you can adjust the temperature of the light in Kelvin. And that range is pretty large range from 2500 all the way up to 8500. So you can adjust it and control it up and down, whatever it is that you want the light temperature to be. And then you can go into other functions like right here again, the dimmer, and you also have hue and saturation right below it. and you can adjust each one individually. Once you have the color that you like and the temperature, you can go in and adjust the hue and saturation much more granularly so you can have more control over the light that you're producing. And then we can go into the RGB mode right here, and you can see you adjust individually the red, the green, and the blue. So you're not stuck with preset colors. You can select the exact color that you want to create for your given mood or your given project, whatever it is that you're lighting up, whether it's a person or an object or whatever it may be. And then you can select over here to either have more white light or more yellow light, depends if you want it colder or warmer. And you can mix it up in between to select exactly how you want it to look. So it gives you quite a bit of functionality and adjustment mode. And then down below there at the bottom, you can select the different scenes that it has built into it. And if they're flashing lights or something like that, you can select slow, normal, or fast. And I'm going to show you some of the scenes right now that are pre-built into the unit, and they may be helpful for whatever project you have. Because the beauty of this light is that it's not only a light that you can use to light up something, you can actually use it as background lighting. So you want to create a background color or a background mood or a background feeling, whatever it may be, and you can adjust it to have whatever it is that you want in the background while you have a person or an object or something in front of it. So this gives you the flexibility of doing a lot of things without having to create it yourself. It's already built into the light. Alright guys, there you have it, a review and demonstration of the Weeylite WE-9 Professional Ring Light Kit. I think this is a very versatile and affordable ring light kit. This light has great adjustability to light up any project you're working on. Plus, it has several pre-programmed light modes already built in to make it easier for you to quickly light up your project. It makes it very easy to create a mood or an environment for the project that you're shooting. It is also flexible in that it can be used as front lighting to light up your subject, or it can be also used as background lighting to create a mood or a specific environment. For $65, I think this is really a great light for a YouTuber, photographer, or any content creator. Check out their website for complete details. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.